Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. Look at the chart of natural gas. What we have seen from 2 weeks, it is continuously moving upside. Okay, few of the reasons can be because as you can see the dollar index is continuously moving down, which in turn making the natural gas price upside. I'll explain you the dollar index how it is moving. Before that, understand how the price of natural gas is moving. From 2 weeks it is continuously moving upside, but it has not shown a big volatility. But from a level of 2.3 it has went to a level of 2.5660. This is the level we have seen. Okay, and now overall trend, if you look at, there are two patterns are forming. What this is, the U pattern forming. So if the price started going above a level of $2.75, we will see a further upside movement. But if the price starting moving below a level of around $2.2, we will see a further fall, because there, or if it comes below a level of 2.3, it will touch this level and will go further fall. Okay, you have to understand something, that there is a higher probability that if the price started moving below a level of 2.3, a further downfall we can see. But as of now there is a dollar index which is trying to go further down, which in turn creating a pressure for natural gas to go upside. Okay, because the dollar index is moving down, this is one of the factors. Okay, so now if the price started sustaining this level and dollar index continues to move down, we will see that it will go towards 2.6 and then to a level of 2.7. And once the price started going up that level, a further upside movement we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Now look at the dollar index. Look at the dollar index. See, there is a clear pattern forming and chances will be very high that it will move to a level of $100.671, and from there a further downfall we can see, because as you can see a red candle is trying to form. So there is a clear pattern forming. I have continuously telling you from 102, when the price was around 102.5, that it will move further down, and now the price is going below this particular level. Okay, and chances will be higher that we can see a further fall in the price of dollar index, which in turn can create a high in the natural gas price. Let's see the natural gas price. Okay, so if you have any doubts, I've given the mail IDs also, and a stock market trading live at gmail.com is one of the mail ID again, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. Suppose if the price sustain this level, we will see it will move to a level of $2.5718. Okay, and if the price started going above that level, a probability of going towards $2.790 is there. Okay, and once the price started sustaining above $2.790, a probability of crossing a level of around 2.9680, and from there it will move above a level of 3. As soon as it started going above a level of 3, you have to understand there is a probability of touching a level of 3.5685 dollars. Okay, and if that level sustain, a probability of crossing a level of around 3.6603 is there. Okay, and once the price started moving above this level, a further upside movement we can see, and then there is a higher chances that we can see it will go towards a level of 3.9 to a level of $4.1. Okay, so remember something, that if there are two patterns are forming, so as soon as the price started going above 2.7, chances of crossing a level of $3 we can see, and once it's sustained above $3, a probability of touching 3.5 will be there, and then from there crossing a level. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, because see, market is uncertain, you have to understand the volatility. Okay, see, if you look at the overall trend is downside, but see it is trying to go upside at this particular level. So you have to understand how the volatility is working. So decide your quantity as per that. If the volatility is higher, try to reduce your quantity to 1/4 or 1/2, and SL by 4 times or target by 4 times, then it will be more better. If you're doing half, then by twice, and if you're doing fourth, by fourth. This is what all I teach in my workshop. If you want to attend that workshop and want to learn how to trade and all, you can mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, we can see it can come down towards a level of 2.33 $86, and then if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $2.29. It can go towards a level of 2.29, and once the price started falling below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then there is a probability of crossing a level of 2.65 will be there, and then it will go below a level of $2, and a probability of going towards 1.8567 is there. Once the price started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards $1.6210, and from there a probability of crossing a level of 1.5418. The price started moving below that level, a further downfall. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.